everyone, my name is Jacob Xavier Harding. This presentation will be over the topic of artificial intelligence and its impact on higher education. The usage of large language models, LLMs for short, has recently made their way into the public sphere, with ChatGPT being the forerunner. Let's take a look at how this is beginning to cause problems within higher education. LLMs are capable of taking a user's input, a prompt, and generating a response in relatively short order with varying degrees of accuracy, which I will showcase later on in the presentation. With this, students are capable of inputting test questions into ChatGPT and having it return answers, again, to varying degrees of accuracy. Students are also able to input a prompt regarding, say, an essay assignment and having ChatGPT generate a good portion of their essay, if not in its entirety. ChatGPT is currently free to anyone to utilize. It is a web-based service, so the only requirements are access to a device, either mobile or computer, and access to the internet. Looking at this data from Crystal Hue, we can see that ChatGPT recently set the record for fastest growing user base. Now looking at the data provided by Fabio Duarte, we can see that ChatGPT has over 100 million users. This could indicate that adoption rates for LLMs are going to saturate the entire internet in a short amount of time. The learning curve to ChatGPT is relatively simple, and while there is an emerging art form in creating prompts to generate results that users desire, anyone with a basic understanding of English and grammar is capable of utilizing ChatGPT. This has serious implications for the world of higher education and ultimately society. One question to ask ourselves as students and teachers is, will scholars of the future need to earn a degree? This is not an easy question to answer, especially considering how recently LLMs have entered into the sphere of public awareness. But the value of a degree will need to be considered as this technology continues to advance and become more specialized in certain fields. Orth Taylor looks at how the public perceives ChatGPT and other AI-generated text. Considering the impact of AI on humanity, those who have used ChatGPT and the like tend to view the impact as being positive, whereas those with no experience in using these tools tend to view them negatively. A few ways in which this impacts society is the automation of computer-based tasks, the contributions that scholars make in society, and the general public becoming more educated. Having looked at the problem, its importance, I now bring up a possible solution: integrating AI, LLMs, into higher education. Large language models can be trained on any set of data. Imagine this: you are a PhD student with access to an LLM that has been trained using all academic journals and papers, and you are capable of directly interacting with that collection of data using natural language. Asking a question such as, I'm researching a topic in regards to my field. Here are some keywords. Find me other papers that use these same keywords. Also include the dates of the paper's publication, the methodology, and any other relevant information that I might not be considering. This is the power of large language models and their possible impact on academia. Instead of prohibiting LLMs from higher education, utilizing them as tools to supplement research. To showcase what I mean further, I will now ask ChatGPT to please write a possible solution for how to integrate AI into higher education. So ChatGPT comes back saying, integrating AI into higher education can occur on multiple fronts, including personalized learning, administrative efficiency, student outreach, research, and campus operations. And here's a potential step-by-step solution. And then ChatGPT goes on and breaks down these key points. So personalized learning, having AI-based tutoring, learning analytics, administrative efficiency, AI for admissions, AI-powered scheduling, student outreach and support, chatbots for student services, AI and career counseling, research and development, AI and academic research, interdisciplinary AI programs, campus operations, AI for campus security, and smart campus. It says lastly, to ensure smooth integration, universities and colleges should provide training and support for both faculty and students to understand and use AI tools effectively. It's also essential to address any ethical concerns like data privacy and algorithmic bias in a clear, transparent manner. This transition should be gradual and adaptive, with regular assessments to understand the effectiveness of the AI tools and to make necessary adjustments. It's also vital to foster an open dialogue among all stakeholders, students, faculty, staff, administrators, and the AI vendors to ensure the AI integration aligns with the educational institution's goals and values. This is a powerful tool that is only in its infancy, which will continue to grow and develop based upon what humans guide it towards, which I believe should include higher education. In conclusion, this is a difficult and emerging problem, and we as academics, students and teachers alike, are tasked with accepting, analyzing, and overcoming this problem. I believe that we should begin actively working towards integrating AI into higher education, not only as a means to prevent academic dishonesty, but as a way to accelerate academic pursuits and learning. Thank you for your time.